I'm Erica Turgeson. I own Crosswinds. It's a 75-acre horse farm here in Farquier County. When I first bought Crosswinds, I rode a lot of it on horseback to get familiar with the farm. And the most spectacular part of it is that a creek runs through the entire property. But even the first time I rode along the creek, I was very concerned about the function of the creek, about some of the invasive species that were taking over. So I knew that there were problems pretty much from day one.
My name's David Godley. I'm the operations manager at Davey Mitigation. You do have to be patient with conservation. We're talking about geologic time. The streams that we work on, they've been here for millions of years. And some people might say the stream can fix itself, but it won't do that, for 1,000 years. Our restoration comes in and jump-starts that. The Blackpond stream was showing symptoms of historical farm practices and manipulation. The stream itself was overgrown. You had a lot of erosion, you had a lot of sediment entering the stream. So the design here focused on bank stabilization, installing grade control, and a lot of vegetative planting. In addition to all the bank protection, we did reestablish pattern and profile in certain areas that was needed.
There were so many dead trees, there were so many invasive species that weren't ecologically or environmentally important anymore.
When you're doing restoration, when you're doing conservation, you have to be realistic. You may have to take out a few trees for the greater good of restoring the whole ecosystem. We cut down 23 trees. When we planted about 7,000 trees. I came over to Davey because I wanted to be at a company that cared about conservation, that wanted to do things the right way, to take care of the land, take care of the landowners, and take care of their partners. Everything we do on these projects is connected, not just on the property itself, but to all the properties around it. So by restoring the stream, getting all the natural vegetation on there, the sediment stays in place. It's not flowing downstream, and keeping all the water cleaner.
With Davey, it's really just been an incredible, seamless process. The creek is just so beautiful now. It's kind of the showcase or the gem of the farm. Being able to walk along this beautiful, fully restored creek with all of these new trees really enhanced the value of the property. I'm so excited to see what this all looks like in 5 years. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous.
The thing that I love most about my job is that the legacy of our work is permanent. This will be a fully self-sustaining ecosystem, and it's going to be a beautiful legacy for Erica, her family, and for our company, and for all the future generations.